Okay, now I'm going to give you, there's going to be a paper back there for you to practice finding equivalent fractions. Well, maybe it'd be a good idea to have a pen. I'm going to give you two number lines on your paper. Some of these number lines, I'm going to mark a fraction for you. And some of them, I'm going to leave completely blank. And I'm going to make you find fractions on them. If I mark the fraction, you're going to have to write off to the side yes or no. How about I write that for you and you just have to circle either yes, they're equivalent, or no, they are not equivalent. And how are you going to tell if these are equivalent? Remember, you're going to look and go 1, 2, and 1. That plots the 1/2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. I should have labeled my 0 and 1 at the beginning and the end. Now let's look. Does this one stop at the same part this one does? Is this and this, is that covering the same amount? If it's yes, then they are equivalent. If they're not, then you would say no. The second type of problem I'm going to give you is I'm going to give you two fractions. Let me erase this. So it's a little bit higher up on the board for you to see. I'm going to give you two fractions like, and I'll give you a number line that's already labeled with the whole numbers on them, and you're going to have to figure out the fractions. How many parts will you break this fraction bar into, this number line into? Bottom number tells you 3. Are those 3 equal parts? Let's check. 1, 2, 3. And the numerator, 1. How about this one? I'll try to go, see if this is 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's pretty good, huh? 6 equal parts. Now I'm going to jump over 2. 0, 1, 2. Let's look. I'm not very good at drawing perfectly, but are those pretty close to the same spot? Yeah, they do look like it. Okay, this fraction, 1/3, is equivalent to this fraction, 2/6. What if I made it 4/6? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is this line in the same spot as this line? No? Then they are not equivalent. So what I want you to do after listening to this is grab the paper, don't forget to put your name on it, and practice finding equivalent fractions.